Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. In this video, we're talking about business to start with AI today, writing service. Now, I've already discussed all of the options in previous videos. So what I'm going to do is link to all of those videos in this video and talk a little bit more about why this is important for you entrepreneurs out there. All right. Now, of course, in order to take advantage of this opportunity in AI, you're going to be using ChatGPT. And the first type of business that I'm going to recommend that you start is a writing business. I wonder if we asked ChatGPT, can you tell me the best writing businesses to start with ChatGPT? And this was the approach in the previous videos I'm going to share with you. So it's already giving you the answers here. Content writing for blogs, ghost writing, and then it crashes. So let's jump right over to the first video. And what we talked about, the first writing niche that I wanted you to consider is cover letters and resumes. So make sure you check out this video where I discuss the cover letters and resumes, and you can see where I go right to ChatGPT. Let's check out what I said here. Using the food truck example, if you can imagine, you're running a food truck, you're not really trying to get a job. So what I'm going to do is play with this robot and see what kind of results I can get. I'm playing with the robot. To tell the robot, continuing the food truck business help thread. I'm going to ask the robot at this point in time. I'm going to say, what are you going to say? Something changed in my food truck business and I need to apply for a job at an established. So this scenario I'm talking about what happens if I had to switch from operating my hypothetical food truck to all of a sudden needing to apply for a job. All right, so this is laying this out. If you need to apply for a job in an established restaurant, there are a few steps you can take to increase your chances of being hired. It's already telling me, update your resume, make sure your resume reflects your skills, tailor your cover letter. All right, so make sure I'm going to link to this first video and it's going to give you some more details. But to start a small business, this series that I'm focused on now, I want you to just understand that you can offer a writing service. The first area to focus on writing, I would say, is cover letters and resumes. There is a substantial market of people that really want a well-written cover letter and resume, and ChatGPT can do this for thee. Okay, I made a rhyme. Now, let's jump to the next video. In this case, all of the options, I've already made a video. So let's look at this. Number 2, the second option. What is the second area that you're going to focus on when you are launching your writing service business? The second area is going to be press releases. Press releases actually are an excellent way to generate traffic for online businesses or any type of business. And in this video, I talk about it. So let's jump in here a little bit and see exactly what it is I'm talking about. And I'm just going to tell the robot what I'm doing so that it can get the right context. I'm just going to tell the robot, hey, I'm working with a food truck business in Miami that specializes in fresh made sandwiches. All right, so I'm using that example again in this video, but you can follow this video so you can understand what and how press releases, how valuable they are, and why you could generate revenue in your business if you started a business focusing on press releases. All right, so that's the second video. I'm going to link to these videos from this video, so you'll have all those. Okay, so now number 3. The number 3 The number 3 in the writing services niche. The number 3 is how to use ChatGPT to write a business plan quickly. Now, this literally was the first video I uploaded on this channel. All right. And you can see, I'm going to mute it here. But you can see it's so early that I had not changed my format in my video. So I'm actually going to recap a little bit here. We'll go through a simple couple business plans just so you can see how quickly you can deliver a usable business plan for your customers. All right. So the first thing we'll do is let's get ChatGPT back online, and we'll say, can you can you write a business plan for a food truck called Darnell's Eats that specializes in garlic cheese fries in Miami, Florida. Okay, just very simple, and this gives you a good start. So let's see what ChatGPT gives us. All right, now before you can, you do best when you plan, and that's where your business plan comes in. It lays out the framework for what your business is supposed to be doing, and you're going to tweak it as you go along so that your business is more effective and profitable. All right, so it generates the executive summary. It gives it the introduction, highlights the unique selling points, all right, business description. And the way that you want to use this is you can now break down these sections and go in more depth, even though ChatGPT is crashing on us. Let's see if it'll regenerate a response. Business plan food truck. Okay, it's trying to work. It's trying to work. Sorry, I can't complete the response. Let's try it one more time. Everybody's trying to get their AI on right now. Tell everybody to get out of the way. I'm coming through. Market research. Okay, here it is. So now it's running, and it's got the business description. Provide more detailed information about the concept and vision for Darnell's Eats. So that tells you where you'll fill in these pieces in order to make the business plan complete. You'll work with your client to answer some of the questions, and will provide you the final product that will impress you and your client. All right. Market analysis. Research and analyze the food truck industry in Miami, including trends, competitors, and market size. Okay. And is it still going? Financial projections. All right. I'm not gonna bore you with all of this here. And in conclusion, it'll tell you where you need to summarize the key points of the business plan. And this is pretty much it. Now, once you get that whole plan, I recommend you copy it, put it in Word and Google Docs, and then start to expand in each sections more and more. What I mean by that? Okay, so let's look at the business description, right? Where it says explain the target market and why there is a demand for garlic cheese fries in Miami. Okay, let's see if ChatGPT can do that for me. All right, so instead of us having something to do, we make the robot work, right? Okay, so what I do is I'll say to ChatGPT, I understand this is something that's needed, but can you do this? Can you explain the target market and why there is a demand for garlic cheese fries in Miami? Can you do that for me, robot? Because you're saying that piece is needed, but that sounds like work for me to do. I want work for you to do, robot. Okay, we're having a rough go right now. We're having a rough go with the connection. Let's try to regenerate one more time. Okay, let's see if we can just rerun the query. See what we get. Regenerate. There was an error. Let's see if we can refresh. Can you explain the target market and why there is a demand for garlic cheese fries in Miami? Can you do that? The target market for cheese fries in Miami. Okay. So you can see it's giving you the information that you can then take and plug into those places in the business plan. This will impress your client. This will answer a lot of questions they may have, and you are going to exceed their expectations for what you charge them for. All right. And this is just my example selling garlic cheese fries out of an imaginary food truck in Miami. Now this is interesting. What it's saying: the target market for garlic cheese fries in Miami may include a diverse group of people who enjoy fast food and specifically enjoy the combination of garlic and cheese flavors in their fries. The demand for garlic cheese fries in Miami may be driven by various factors such as population, the presence of large Hispanic population who may have a taste for garlic and cheese, and the influence of local food trends and cultural events. These are the types of words that your banker is going to be impressed with when they see it on your business plan, okay? Make sure you subscribe at howwhy.ai. It's all about how to grow your business with artificial intelligence. When you subscribe, I'm going to send you the 12 businesses to start with AI today, like the one you're checking out here today. And you also get the 31 AI apps to use in your business. Now subscribe at howwhy.ai, and you'll also get my email address. So when you have questions about your artificial intelligence, I'll be there to help you with that. All right. Thank you for checking out this video. I want to thank you for liking this video. If you didn't like this video, make sure you share it with someone who will. Until the next time, I'm Darnell Jackson. Peace.